Good morning, students. May God bless you all. Now, today we'll start with our third lesson, pronouns. What are pronouns? Pronouns are words like I, we, he, she, it, you, they, us, me, him, her. They are used in place of noun or a noun phrase to avoid repetition. We use a pronoun for the second and subsequent mention of the same person of thing. Okay, when we don't have to repeat the name again and again, so for that we use pronoun. First we use the noun, and then if the second time or third time again the name is coming, instead of that we'll use pronoun. For example, Joe is an intelligent man. He does his job well. So here we have not written the Joe again. Okay, instead of that, Joe is a man. Okay, so instead of that we used here he. In the above sentence, instead of repeating the same name Joe, we have used the word he. So the word he is pronoun. Now, kinds of pronoun. How many kinds of pronoun are there? Pronouns are mainly of 8 kinds: personal pronouns, reflexive pronouns, emphatic pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, relative pronouns, interrogative pronouns, indefinite pronouns, and distributive pronouns. So today we will learn about first 4 pronouns, and then in the second session we will learn the next 4. Okay, now personal pronouns. Pronouns that stand for persons are called personal pronouns, which stand for persons. Okay, pronouns that stand for persons are called personal pronouns. A personal pronoun denotes any one of the 3 persons. Any one of the 3 persons, personal pronoun will denote. The first person speaking, I am here. The second person, the person spoken to, you are wise. The third person spoken of, she is pretty. Now see, 3 persons are standing there talking. 2 persons are, imagine that you and your friend 2 are talking. Okay, so you will be the first person, your friend will be the second person, and about whom you are talking will be the third person. Remember number and case of the personal pronoun. Each of the personal pronouns has a possessive form. The form denotes possession. In that A, possessive pronouns do not take an apostrophe in the possessive case. Theirs, hers, his, ours, etc. Here you can see we don't have to use apostrophe here. Okay, theirs means we don't have to use apostrophe s. My, our, your, his, its, there are possessive determiners, as they are always followed by a noun. Now see person, nominative, singular plural, executive, it means objective, singular plural, possessive, genitive, singular and plural. In this table you have to learn it thoroughly. First one is singular I, so plural will be we, me, us, mine, ours. Then you, second person. Okay, second person you, plural is also you. Here also you, plural will be you, and yours possessive will be plural also yours. Then third person, he will change to they, she will change to they, it will also change to they, them, him will change to them, her, them, it, them, his, theirs, hers, theirs. Now we will see reflexive pronouns. We add shall for selves to a pronoun in order to form a personal pronoun. In order to form a personal pronoun, we use self for selves. Yourself, yourselves, like that. A reflexive pronoun reflects back on the subject. A reflexive pronoun is used as the object of the verb. A reflexive pronoun reflects back on the subject. It will reflect on the subject. A reflexive pronoun is used as the object of the verb. Now see here, we'll see examples. I will go to attend the meeting myself. Okay. She fell down and hurt herself. They will go to attend the meeting themselves. Now see, singular and plural is myself, ourselves, yourself, yourselves, himself, themselves, herself, themselves, itself, themselves. Then emphatic or intensive pronouns. Pronouns used to emphasize or stress a noun or pronoun are called emphatic pronouns. It will stress on the noun or the pronoun. Emphatic pronouns have the same form as reflexive pronouns, but they have a different function. I myself helped him. They themselves were ready to join in. You yourself know the whole thing. Okay. Now demonstrative pronouns. Pronouns used to point out the objects referred to in a sentence are called demonstrative pronouns. Pronouns used to point out the objects. It will point out the objects there. Referred in a sentence are called demonstrative pronouns. This is a beautiful scene. Demonstrative, you have to remember it. This, that, these and those. They are the demonstrative pronouns. Now see, this is a beautiful scene. This, singular and it's near the speaker, means the object is near the speaker. That is a nice formula. That, singular and at a distance from the speaker. So that formula, it means it is somehow distance is there between the speaker and the formula. These are their photographs. These, plural and near the speaker. Those were the days of prosperity. Those, plural and at a distance from the speaker. Now this is singular, this is plural. That is singular, those plural. Thank you.